ka jingkran kot junglat ka jala utata kataroi yakni ka jingkran balapan khre haksi sedang jong ka dorbar mangtengka jong ka ying dorbar thawai kalami ka jingpersha na kaliang persha maria peteng ya ka ying dorbar ka bahadian ka jingkran na ulampang halo ki wei pat kiman uchip web kaliang persha ba proses ti sau kami ulayang mat pensngo hapo ka ying ba ka jingkran kot junglat ka jala tata kataroi om ya baro kitanan kum balapan khre da sarkar jala kalong kum ka jing ibeng ya ka ying dorbar thawai bat ki hindri phangud ki nong ikman.
Honorable members, we are thankful to the Honorable Governor of Meghalaya for addressing the August House today. I would also like to inform the House that the Honorable Governor could not address the House during the special session of the Assembly held on the 20th January 2020, as the one-day special session was called specifically for ratification of the Constitution 126 Amendment Bill 2019 and was held at a short notice from Rajya Sabha. The matter was also discussed in the Business Advisory Committee. The Honorable Governor has now delivered his address on his first day of the budget session 2020. However, I would also like to put in record that this should not be taken as a precedent. In future, the Honorable Governor will address on the first session of the year irrespective of any type of session.
Point of order, sir. So I would like to put forward in record regarding with the speech of the governor, which I very much disturbed, and so all the 60 members are very much disturbed and concerned because many of important departments which have already been skipped. Right, Minister, if we're going into the governor address, skipping of this governor address from 1421, 24, 65, numbers 77, 81, 95. So in one word, sir, I could see that the governor, he didn't respect us. He didn't respect the House. I could see that he didn't respect, again, the Constitution. If that type of person, sir, again, continue in the state, sir, and I'm sure that, I don't know where's the future of our Meghalaya that we are today, sir. I'm very much concerned, disturbed regarding with the way he speech, because it has insulted the House, insulted the whole of Meghalaya. I don't know whether members understand the way of speech. This is the important, I would convey my concern, sir, regarding with his speech.
Habai day bakani na kaliang ulampang ka ying dorbar thawai ba met ba lingdo ulapan sai bat ong ba ulat chwa bo unkren uladep penpensko shaying dorbar halor ka jingkerki ka jung uban le jinglen.
Honorable Member, I would like to clarify here that the Honorable Governor has already made it very clear in his statement that since because of the urgency of his other programs that he has in Calcutta, he has to leave and take the flight from Umroi Airport. So therefore, he has mentioned it very clearly that the rest of the part of the Governor's address may be treated as read.